Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to hold your breath longer while singing. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I am by far not a great singer, but I can hold a note for a very long time. And I attribute that to the things that I regularly do when I speak for videos or when I'm practicing my singing, and also things that are part of my daily routine. So these are the things that you can do to hold your breath longer while singing. Number one is you want to breathe deeply from your lower lungs. When many people breathe, when they're just breathing regularly, they breathe from their upper lungs. But in reality, if you want to get more air into your lungs, you have to breathe from your lower lungs. So instead of going like this, go like this. So open your mouth like that, and you'll see how much more air I'm getting. Look, watch this. Or when you do that, you're going to get a ton of air. I'm out of breath because I got so much air in and out of my lungs. So breathe in deeply from your lower lungs. Before you sing that note, you want to breathe in deeply from your lower lungs, and you will be able to hold your breath for a long time for a nice long note sound. Okay, you can hold that note for a very long time. Number two is breathe in through your nose. Now, that's how you practice breathing from your lower lungs. But in reality, when you're singing, you're not going to go singing on da 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 da. That's going to look weird. So you want to breathe in through your nose. So when you learn how to breathe in your lower lungs like that, you want to do the same thing but through your nose. So when you're singing da 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 da. Okay, very simple. Breathe in through your lower lungs through your nose. Okay, that's you're going to be able to get a lot of breath and quickly as well, and really unnoticeably. You never really see singers go like that. You see them taking these subtle breaths. Okay. Number three is practice deep breathing for a few minutes every single day. So you want to make sure that you're practicing your deep breathing skills for a few minutes every day. So what I like to do is when I'm done my shower, I just turn the water off and I stand there in the shower and I just take these breaths, hold it for 10 seconds, release it. Take these breaths, hold it for 15 seconds, release it. I kind of just build up and build down, and I do this just for a few minutes after every single shower. And that really allows me to work my lungs so that I'm able to have my deep breaths naturally. And this really helps when I'm holding my notes while singing, okay? Number four, straighten your back. See, if I'm trying to breathe in like this, I can't take much air in. But if I straighten my back and I try that again, I get a lot more air in my lungs. And that's because when you're curled forward, right, your lungs are almost compressed a little bit, right? They're not able to fully expand. But when you straighten your back, you open up that rib cage area and you're able to get a lot more air into your lungs, okay? So straighten out your back, you get a lot more air into your lungs, which will allow you to hold a note longer while singing. Number five is a little trick that I use. I haven't really read this anywhere, but this is a trick that I use to hold my notes longer while singing, and that's to lower my shoulders. If I have my shoulders up here, I feel like I'm really tense. I can't take a big, deep breath. But the moment that I go like this, and I lower my shoulders, I can take a nice deep breath, and I can hold the note longer while singing, right? So you can hold a note for a long time and get that really loud tone because you have a lot of air to use. So when you have air to use, a lot of air to use, you get a louder tone while singing, okay? Last but not least is number six, which is practice singing different pitches and tones of notes. So you want to practice your high notes, your medium notes, your low notes, and everything in between, okay? And that's because each note is going to give you practice and give your lungs and your mouth and your throat area, everything practice with different tonalities. And then when you actually sing notes, you're going to be better at those notes. Now, I know everyone has a specific range that they sing in, but even if you're a deep singer, if you sing high-pitched notes and you practice them, it's going to help you hold your notes longer with your lower pitches. They're all going to help each other. So with that being said, make sure you practice singing all different notes, and you should be practicing your singing on a daily basis, whether it's in the shower, in the car, or in a professional setting. You should be practicing daily. It's just going to help you overall. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.